Hello guys, hi, we are here and welcome back to my channel. Today we have got an update on the issue of the constitution. Remember, we told you about the issue of the constitution. If you go back to the previous videos, you'll see that I addressed the issue of the constitution, and the question is, where are we now on the issue of the constitution? Well, this is the reason why we have this video today. It's an emergency video and I didn't plan for this, so apologies. Remember, we told you when the president went to celebrate the Women's Day celebration in Kasama, he told the women to say that he and his team were planning on amending the Constitution 2025, and he told the women that the Constitution was going to advocate for their representation in Parliament and decision-making process. And when the president went to Mungu as well to celebrate the Youth Day, he told the youth to say that they were planning or talking about amending the constitution with his team and cabinet, and the decision, the reason why to amend the constitution was to in fact bring more youth in parliament, bring more youth in decision-making process. And people just thought that maybe it was just a talk like anyhow. And we've got a breaking news today. Today on the 26th of March. Let me confirm the date. Yes, I've confirmed it's 26th of March, but it all depends on when you watch the video. But I'm making this video on the 26th of March. All right, so today the Justice Minister, Princess Kasumi, has brought the issue to Parliament. He brought the issue in order to tell the parliamentarians about the roadmap for amending the Constitution. So this means that the Constitution is now in full swing. So now this has come to the attention of the Speaker, to the attention of the members of Parliament and all the staff at the Parliament. So we are now aware that the motion for amending the Constitution is in full swing. So I'm going to quickly go through the proposed amendments. Of course, some of the clauses have been disclosed on what they want to add or, of course, remove. So I'm going to quickly go through what was discussed that indeed they want to amend, but some of the issues they say that they'll be bringing it in bits. So, but for now, let me just go you through what has been brought to the attention of the members of Parliament today. All right, allow me to read from the screen. All right, so number one, we've got the constituency delimitation, of which the president is one of the issues that he brought when he was talking to the women in Kasama and the youth in Mongo. The constituency delimitation, number one. Number two, we've got candidate resignation. The current constitution calls that indeed if one candidate resigns from the race or presidency, the election won't proceed as they will have fresh nominations, so they want to remove this clause. And number three, enhanced representation. This is where they are saying that they want more youth to come to parliament, so more seats guaranteed for women and youth and persons with disabilities. Then number four, bringing back the members of parliament to councils. So the current constitution, of course, had removed the MPs from participating or taking part in council meetings, so they want to bring back that clause. And number five is election petition clarity. So the current constitution calls that the election petition shall be heard within 14 days. So they want to bring the days, extending the days to at least 90 days, that is 3 months. Number six, by-election reform. They want to, of course, they want to end the party vacancy elections, and they're saying that they're going to save about 264 million kwacha plus 3.9 million per candidate. Number seven, nominated members of parliament increase. Now, members of parliament currently can be nominated up to 8, so they want to increase the number of parliament to be nominated by the president. They haven't specified how long or how many members of parliament shall be nominated in this particular constitution that they're proposing, but they've just said increasing the number of nominated members of parliament. All right, it says MP term harmonization. So they want to fix a parliament term at least 5 4 years. I don't really understand this clause. Of course, maybe if there are people that will understand it, can really tell us what it means in the constitution in the comment section. And number 9 is called the minister's vacancy. So it's saying that the minister shall vacate office within 90 days before the elections. I'm sure this was addressed already in the current constitution, if I'm not mistaken. Number 10, it says mayor's term limit, to remove term limit for mayors. So currently mayors can only be in parliament for 2 terms, that is a period of 10 years, 5 years each. So they want to remove that clause to allow mayors to be in councils for as long as they can, just like the members of parliament do. So number 11 says Secretary of the Cabinet to lower the experience from 10 years to 5 years. So currently, if you want to be the Secretary of the Cabinet, you need to have at least 10 years working experience in the public sector. So they want to remove it from 10 years to 5 years. And number 12 is Attorney General continuity to retain officials until new appointments. All right, and the last one is called child adult definition to clarity. A child that, yeah, so this one is about clarity that a child is a person below the age of 18, and 18 plus, that person is regarded as an adult. So they want clarity on this one. There are main clauses that haven't been included, but these ones are the ones that are debatable for now. All right, and here is a roadmap. I'm going to put the document here so that you can see it. So it says a roadmap for the enactment of the Constitution of Zambia Amendment Bill 2025. There is task here and period. So you can see that it started here. It started today on the 26th of March by the Honorable Minister of Justice to update Parliament on the roadmap and the content of the proposed Constitution of Zambia Amendment Bill 2025. And it's going to be concluded on the 25th of July 2025, where the third reading of the bill is going to take place. But let me just quickly go through the comment from one of the most known person, Laura Miti, who's a human rights activist. All right, so Laura Miti feels a type of way about this Constitution Amendment Bill 2025. He feels, why this rush? The UPND can wait up to at least after 2026 general election, but why before the election? So this is the comment that Laura Miti has just made right now on the 26th of March. Look, Zambians, if just this amendment passes, the president and the ruling party are untouchable. You see, exactly like Bill 10 tries to. The UPND is trying to give itself a limitless number of MPs that can be increased at any time by a simple majority vote. So it would not matter if in the next election the ruling party loses lots of seats. All it needs is a small majority. Then it can, by an act of parliament, provide for the president to nominate enough MPs to give him 2/3 majority. After that is curtains. The constitution is theirs. They can amend at leisure the real clauses they want to. How? President Shilema, this is beyond wrong. So she went on and all that. But I come to you to say, what do you think about this Constitution Amendment Bill 2025? I'll be waiting for your comment. Thank you so much. Remember to subscribe. Remember to like the video. Remember to follow me anywhere. Please share the video. Thank you.